I'm gonna try to create some leftover dish. Basically, I have some sort of stuff left over and blah blah blah, whatever. I have some spaghetti, which is from the last dish. I found in the freezer some meat, nearly dead greens, onions, mushrooms. What else? I need something for the sauce, right? Basically for the sauce I need some milk. Flour, I'm not gonna show you flour, it's boring. And to make something creamy, I was thinking something creamy. But because I don't have a double cream, but I have coconut milk. Let's try. Why not? Okay. Let's get. Let's try to do it. Yo, let's start. I need a big pan because it's easy. If it's the big pan, it means less cash. And your cooker gonna be absolutely wonderful. Whatever. Anyway, I put the cooker on a middle heat with the oil. Peel and chop 2 onions. I think for that amount it's gonna be cool. And let's start. Let's go. Okay, the onions nice and brown and see. What we're gonna do now? That time I chop and first wash and chop the mushrooms, and now we're gonna mince. Let's fry them a bit and then add some flour. Yo, now it's time. I mean, you put wherever you like it. I put a bit salt, right? I don't know why. I feel oregano. Smoky paprika. Not too much. Everything not too much. Just tiny bit. And then you add your mushrooms. And give another couple of minutes. Right. That's pretty much looking nice. Let's add some. No, just tiny bit of flour. Maybe a bit more. That's it. Mix up nicely everywhere. Flour have to go everywhere. And then, yeah, let flour absorb all the juices. And now, what we're gonna do, we need to get them right consistency. We add some milk. A bit. Now mix. We need some more. For sure. It's getting closer, closer. A bit more. In that case, you're not gonna have some bad things in there. Slowly. You do it slowly. And yeah, I would say a bit more. Yeah. See? Something like that. And then we'll add some coconut milk. Yay! And anyway, when you have to leave it for, I don't know, about half an hour, something like that. But before, we add a bit greens. They're nearly dead, to be honest with you. But it doesn't matter, they're still gonna give the flavor. I'll fudge, to be honest with you. It's gonna be nice and whatever. See you later. Every day, it's ready. And after all, like, whatever. And I've got pasta here. There you go. it have to be al dente. Because then, to be honest with you, I hate al dente pasta. But in that case, it's really good because it's gonna finishing up in all those flavors. It's gonna absorb all those flavors here, and it's gonna be ready to eat. You see, it's really easy. Pasta dishes with the white sauce, it's quite easy.